Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on REALME 14. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then go to Google account. Then go to data and privacy, and now you have to scroll down. Now click on delete your Google account, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click delete account, and then click disagree and go to your main screen. And now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. And now you have to enter your lock screen pattern, and here you have to enter your email address. Then click next, and as you can see my account is deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.